Okay, in other news, the residents from a section of Emerson Avenue in New Haven, St. Andrew are calling for the National Water Commission, NWC, to address a sewage problem in their community. The residents say that some pipes were damaged while members of the NWC carried out repairs in the area some time ago, which they believe may be contributing to the problem.
Raw sewage flowing on Emerson Avenue causing great discomfort for many. The residents complain that the problem has persisted for over 2 months, despite their desperate pleas for help.
We have and them say them are going to come and them look and them say January before them find pipe, and it was about 2 months now. Oh Father God, man. Just look around now, you see sewage are run. Actually, you can see the sewage are run. The scent arose all but this come like a river ton. No, we need help. We need help.
The scent, when it comes up, it is very unbearable. We just need somebody to come and fix it. The last time I was told that our representative came in the area, he didn't come this side any at all. So I'm not even sure that he is aware that we're having this problem right here. But we need it sorted out. This is more than 2 months, and we cannot go into the Christmas season like this with kids that will be home on a holiday and needs to play. We need this road to be fixed. We cannot go into 2020 like this.
And there was time when the water pump up and float up and cover the whole of the road, come all up to this way, we stand up. And the scent of it, we cannot take it. Sometimes it run out the people out of them yard, them have to go somewhere else to where the scent high and stink. Them to come fix it, man, we are suffer.
As the sewage continues to flow, residents are concerned about the health risks, particularly to young children and persons with existing ailments.
Bellyache, no normal run us out them thing. The scent alone, trigger off. All asthma with the youth them. Mosquito like wow evening time. As sun gone in, mosquito. And so must look like a hand and see them have some long foot and them stay so. You understand? And them thing that go on in the community.
Corporate Public Relations Manager at the National Water Commission, NWC, Charles Buchanan, told TVJ News that the NWC is aware of the matter. He said that measures are in place to address the situation.
The National Water Commission is aware of damage to a section of the sewers along Emerson Avenue. We have done an assessment and identified the need for the engagement of a contractor to undertake emergency works that will involve replacing a section of the sewers along Emerson Avenue. The Commission is both working to address the emergency conditions as they develop and has also been preparing an overall work plan to treat with the sewering and the maintenance of the sewers in and around the entire Duane Park area.
The residents are hoping that something will be done before children go on the Christmas holiday. Bashane Masters, TVJ News.